Good morning, good morning, good morning. Rise and shine. Hope you are all well. Welcome to my channel. Mrs. Sapir here, always giving you beautiful stuff, beautiful vibes, good stuff, good vibes. So it is Sunday, the 2nd of January 2022, and we are headed to church. By we I mean me and my mommy. Where is she? Ndo huyo. Me and my mommy, we are going to church. Church iko tu hapa karibu, so we are walking there. Yeah, this is today's outfit. Decided to go very simple. I have a sweater dress, and then I crocheted this belt. I've tied it at the back, and then I have black sandals, and I did hair decoration using earrings, loops. Yeah. Hi mama. Mom is shy, but anyway, yeah, headed to church. It is 10, but I'm sure inaanzanga hiyo 10. So see you guys.
Akawa na BOG watu wake.
Yani principal.
Odiado.
Naisikianga
Odiado.
Naisikianga. Watoto wa msho wanasoma bwana. Nakumbuka hata viboko tu.
So you ni nini? Hiyo point ya nini? Ilinichochea.
Point ya?
The pearl.
The black pearl. Akasema whoever touches the black pearl will never see peace.
Sasa unaona hiyo sense. Even in our setting. Sasa hatujui ni Kristo ndiye anajua. Sasa we commit to him. Kristo atushete hizo laana ambazo zilimkelewa. If maybe a great grandparent had what? Hata deni ya mtu. Anasema tu your seed. Generations zako. Sasa hiyo tunatubu na kuomba tutengewe baraka zetu.
Church iko huku, mimi sijui mbona nilikuwa naangalia huko.
Tengewe baraka za kipekee zinazotoka moja kwa moja. Sasa kitu ni vile Biblia inasema my people perish for lack of
knowledge.
Kama ujui that aspect na kuiaddress. You don't know that aspect na kuitaja mbele za Mungu, inasumbua tu. Mtu anaweza sema kama umeokoka basi, kwa sababu hiyo vitu kama hivyo ndio unasikia pastor has backslidden. Kumbe that altar was speaking against him na hakujua. So in our tidbits, we just do what? In our tidbits we do what?
We address the situation.
We address those issues in our tidbits.
Nilikuwa naangalia architect hapo ni nani? Yes, consultancy.
Wameweka.
Lazima waweke. In case of anything ni wewe wanatafuta. Mask chabo. Waiva tu. Si tumenao tu sai. Watoto ni wengi. Hello. Hi guys. So it's 1.5 hours later and I've left church early. Apparently today it was a special service. Some kids were being dedicated and they were dedicated for 1.5 hours. Okay, there was a preaching and then now sai sasa ndo service inaanza 11:40 something. So I decided to excuse myself. Nimeacha mami church so that I can go and at least do A, B, C or D in the house, like make lunch so that when mom comes back apate lunch, alafu pia do a bit of cleaning because I woke up, I didn't do the dishes. I woke up late, so I think I'm going to do the dishes. I'm going to clean what needs to be cleaned and then I'll continue knitting. Yeah, so that is it for the day. So I'm thinking of putting this sweater just on top for baridi. It's actually another top, but I'm styling it this way. I'm wearing sweatpants. Actually wearing sweatpants. Yes, and a polo neck top. And then I've just put this sweater top here. I want it to be off shoulder like this. Extremely one side shoulder. Looks nice, right? So I'll just be, I'm wearing white ngomas, so comfortable. Today is Monday. Monday is a market days for Busia, so I'm actually going to look for some fabric and glass for my table. And then after that, nirudi. After kurudi, nipitie kwa fundi. And then I'm gonna carry this bag. Yeah. Yes. This is how it would look if I would wear it straight. But this is how it would look when I wear it like that. But I think I like the one side more. So unaona hii type darker version, ma browns, ma you know, oranges, but si yellow. Unaona vile ni too bright. But this one is okay. Ipi iko sawa.
Na dadi wale celebrate. Ali celebrate sana. Akasema hawa ni wajinga. Wacha mimi nitachukua kikombe. Kikombe tujakata kikombe abebe tu. Ango.
Mtoto yetu. Ile mimi mambo ya mpira hapa.
Ango.
Tukawinja sauti.
Next match Man City. Mimi nitapiga Chelsea Man City. Mimi nitapiga
Hii ni same na hiyo. Story. I feel like I have this. Yes. Or something close to it. Sasa unajua utaki ununue yenyewe.
Mimi kama wao wanachapa.
So guys, as you know, I painted this table, and now I've gotten a glass top for it. So I'm going to show you how this glass top looks like. Now wameifunga wameifunga. Oh, so inaweza toka. I think makasi nikate hii. I'm going to wipe it with wet wipes kama iko na shida. Yes. Look at it. It is so clear. It's clear. So this is what I'm doing on the sides. Let me see where the So this is basically what I'm doing. It has glass, but you can't tell because the glass is clear. So look at it. So I'm going to wipe this part. So I asked this guy to just smoothen this side so that it's actually clean. Yes, look at it. Let me put it well. Yes, actually doing good. So I can actually do a stool here, just a basic mbao stool that is comfortable enough for me. It will have to be very low so that it can fit my Disca table.
Karina Rosenberg, Rapunzel.
Kazi gani? Yeah. Ni poa. Nakwambia. The tea. Tea is so guys, mimi na coffee. Nimemaliza hii. So I'm going to do this. Let me see. Yes. So a cup, a spoon. Yes, some coffee for me. Love. Little star. And then